Scheme is a statically scoped and properly tailed recursive dialect of the Lisp programming language designed to have an exceptionally clear and simple semantics and few different ways to form expressions. Incorporates first-class procedures as in the lambda calculus, thereby proving the usefulness of static scope rules and block structure. In a dynamically typed language, Scheme introduced the concept of exact and inexact numbers. Scheme is also the first programming language to support hygienic macros. Perl related to Algol only through C. The scripting language. A script file contains instructions to be executed. Other examples: sh, talk, tcl/tk developed by Larry Wall. Perl variables are statically typed and implicitly declared. 3 distinctive namespaces, denoted by the first character of a variable's name. Powerful but somewhat dangerous, widely used as a general-purpose language and for CGI programming on the web. Prolog developed by Kummerer and Russell, University of Aix-Marseille, with help from Kowalski, University of Edinburgh. Based on formal logic, non-procedural can be summarized as being an intelligent database system that uses an inferencing process to infer the truth of given queries. Highly inefficient. Small application areas. Data evaluation, contributions, packages, support for data abstraction, exception handling, elaborate generic program units, concurrency, through the tasking model. Comments. Competitive design included all that was then known about software engineering and language design. First compilers were very difficult. The first really usable compiler came nearly 5 years after the language design was completed. Ada 95 began in 1988. Support for object-oriented programming through type derivation. Better control mechanisms for shared data. New concurrency features. More flexible libraries. Popularity suffered because the DOC no longer requires its use, but also because of popularity of C++. Smalltalk developed at Xerox PARC, initially by Alan Kay, later by Abdel Goldberg. First full implementation of an object-oriented language. Data abstraction, inheritance, and dynamic binding. Pioneer the graphical user interface design. Promoted object-oriented programming. C++ programming developed at Bell Labs by Strauss Struth in 1980 evolved from C and SIMULA 67 facilities for object-oriented programming, taken partially from SIMULA 67, provides exception handling, a large and complex language, in part because it supports both procedural and object-oriented programming rapidly. Grew in popularity, along with object-oriented programming. ANSI standard approved in November 1997. Microsoft's version released with .NET in 2002. Managed C++. Delegates, interfaces, no multiple inheritance-related object-oriented programming languages. Eiffel designed by Bertrand Meyer, 1992. Not directly derived from any other language, smaller and simpler than C++, but still has most of the power. Lacked popularity of C++ because many C++ enthusiasts were already C programmers. Delphi Borland Pascal plus features to support object-oriented programming, more elegant and safer than C++. Java developed at Sun in the early 1990s. C and C++ were not satisfactory for embedded electronic devices based on C++. Significantly simplified does not include struct union, enum, pointer arithmetic, and half of the assignment coercions of C++. Supports only object-oriented programming, has references, but not pointers. Includes support for applets and a form of concurrency. Java evaluation eliminated many unsafe features of C++. Supports concurrency libraries for applets, GUIs, database access. Portable Java virtual machine concept. JIT compilers widely used for web programming use increased faster than any previous language. Most recent version, 5.0, released in 2004. Thank you.